I pitched in a World Series, but I was with the Cardinals at the time. 3 games. It was the 1926 World Series, but I was doing it in 1952 in a movie. I had an edge on all of you in the sense that I knew the script in advance, so I knew it was going to come out right.
The 1984 World Series was the championship series of Major League Baseball's 1984 season, the 81st edition of the World Series. It was a best-of-7 playoff played between the American League champion Detroit Tigers and the National League champion San Diego Padres. The Tigers won the series 4-1. The 1984 World Series program included a painting by Sheila Wolk of various United States presidents throwing out the first ball, and the painting included President Reagan. A lithograph print of that painting was framed and gifted to President Reagan by Pete Uberoff, the Commissioner of Major League Baseball. Thank you for joining us for this week's Monday Minute in the Archives. Join us next week as we share our next treasure.